Hello 18, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for taking this video. Asian Inquirer sa buong Asia, binalita na malapit nang i-release ang global version CD ng ating Mahalima SB19, Wakas at Simula album nila. Super exciting lahat. At heto nga ang update ng Asian Inquirer. Basahin natin. At heto nga nasusulat at naipublish. SB19 announces global version CD. SB19 has announced the upcoming Wakas at Simula global version CD, giving fans a physical way to revisit the music beyond the concert stage. The release was teased as a new form of experiencing the project. It follows the lyric visualizers connected to the memories of the concert finale. The CD is positioned as a physical archive for fans who want to preserve that chapter. For 18, this makes the music feel less temporary and more collectible. That's where it is. That's where it hits differently. Wakas at Simula has already carried strong emotional weight because of its link to endings. O diba? Sa ganitong paraan ng Asian Inquirer ay very supportive sila sa ating Mahalima. Ito ay buong Asia pinopromote ng Asian Inquirer ang Wakas at Simula Global Version CD.